Well, we know how to say this is a ball, ovo je lopta, and that is a dog, to je pas. But what if we didn't know that this was a ball and that was a dog? How do we ask, what is that? Who is that? Are you or is she? Let's look at 7 ways to ask a question. We'll begin with what is and who is. These are sentences that often have answers in the form of an introduction. For example, what is this? This is my book. Or who is that? That is Mirna. What is что? You would use что or what like you do in English to ask about something. For example, what is that? You would also use this to ask things like what profession or nationality somebody is. Что je on? What is he? This also covers the question in English, what does he do? And the answer could be something like, he is a writer or he is American. Who is tko and is used the same way as in English. To ask what is this, you simply say что je ovo, and the answer would be ovo je moja knjiga. This is my book. Who is that? Is tko je to. To je Mirna. That is Mirna. What is she? Što je ona? She is a teacher. Ona je učiteljica. Are you or is she are questions that generally require a yes or no answer. To ask a question, just like in English, we need to know a few words and we just swap these depending on who or what we are asking about. If we wanted to ask, are you a student or is she a teacher? We need to know the person we are talking about, the pronoun, so either you or she, and the object of what we are talking about, the student or teacher. We also need to know the word are or is, which is the verb to be, and the short form of this is the enclitic. One way to ask a question is to begin a sentence with da li. Here is a reminder of the parts we require. If we are asking, am I, we need ja and sam. Are you, we need ti and si. Is she, we need ona and je. Are we need mi and smo. Are you, we need vi and ste. Are they, we need oni and su. Am I a chef? Dali sam ja kuhar. Are you a student? Dali si ti student. Is she a teacher? Dali je ona učiteljica. Are we pilots? Dali smo mi piloti. Are you footballers? Dali ste vi nogometaši. Are they doctors? Dali su oni liječnici. And like in English, where we use apostrophes to show missing letters, dali can be shortened to dal and even dal.